Meltio has developed two industrial software solutions to get the most out of Meltio Wire DAD metal additive manufacturing solutions. Now we'll guide you through our software and show you how it can make a difference for you. Meltio Horizon is a sophisticated toolpath generation software designed for 3-axis metal 3D printing, specifically tailored for Meltio's laser wire deposition process with the Meltio M600 3D printer. Meltio Horizon provides predefined printing profiles. This comprehensive solution includes fully developed material parameters to streamline the printing process. As for Meltio Space, it is an advanced slicing and toolpath generation software designed specifically for the Meltio engine robot integration. It enables the programming of a wide variety of geometries for robotic additive manufacturing and is fully compatible with leading robotic systems. Redefining additive manufacturing by enabling users to move beyond the limitations of traditional 3-axis printing through advanced robotic manipulation capabilities. Boost your production with Meltio's advanced software solutions.